Hello, good morning, my dear friends. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Learn English Words Daily. Dear friends, before we go through the entire content of this video, I request you people to read the disclaimer completely till the end and then proceed further. My dear friends, I once again welcome you all to this lesson 208 of today's video. In this lesson, let us try to learn what is called as science of studies. That means there are some science subjects which deal with the study of some items, aspects, or some events. Dear friends, please have a look at these 9 different science subjects. The first one is pomology, then comes floriculture, after that olericulture, the fourth subject agronomy, fifth one agrostology, sixth subject bambusology, seventh one dendrology, eighth subject viticulture, and finally we have enology. You may ask as to why only these 9 subjects. Dear friends, all these subjects deal with some of the food items which we consume on day-to-day basis. Hence, these 9 subjects, considering them as important, have been listed here. Dear friends, let us proceed further and try to learn as to which food item each of these science subject deals with. My dear friends, when once you go through this video completely and if you feel the content provided in this video is very much important for you, please give a like to this video. Also, I request you to share your comments and suggestions in the description box. Your suggestions and comments are highly valuable for me to improve the content of this channel going forward. Please share this video with your friends and relatives who are very much interested to learn new English words on daily basis. Dear friends, here is the first science subject. It is Pomology, pronounced as pomology. Now let us see the meaning of pomology. It means a branch of botany or the science that deals with the study of fruits and their cultivation. Let us see as to how the word pomology is used in sentence formation. In many horticulture colleges, study of fruit quality has become an important research field in pomology. Second sentence. Advances in pomology have led to invention of new varieties of apples that are more nutritious. Dear friends, today you have understood the word pomology in a brief manner. Dear friends, here we have got the second science subject. It is Floriculture, which is pronounced as floriculture. You may be getting a fair idea about this science subject. Yes, you are correct. It deals with cultivation of flowers. The actual meaning is the study of growing and marketing flowers and foliage plants. Now let us see as to how sentences can be framed by using the word floriculture. First sentence. I have planned to take up floriculture with my leisure. Second sentence. Floriculture requires knowledge of various flower species. Dear friends, after having learnt the actual meaning of the word floriculture, let us proceed to learn the next science subject. Dear friends, here we are at the next science subject which deals with the food items which we consume on daily basis. The subject is Olericulture, which is pronounced as olericulture. Meaning of the word olericulture is the branch of horticulture dealing with the cultivation of vegetables. Yes, olericulture exclusively deals with the cultivation and after management of vegetable crops. Now let us try to frame some sentences by using the word olericulture. Sentence 1. He pursued his bachelor degree in olericulture to improve vegetable farming methods. Second sentence. Olericulture plays a critical role in global food security. Dear friends, today we have learnt the science subject which deals with cultivation of vegetable crops. Let us proceed further and try to learn the next science subject. Dear friends, here we have got another science subject which is very closely linked with our day-to-day lives. The science is agronomy, which is pronounced as agronomy. Meaning of the word agronomy is branch of agriculture that deals with the production of field crops and soil management. Let us try to frame two sentences by using the word agronomy. His eldest daughter, Sandra, is going to college to study agronomy. Sentence 2. Agronomy plays a crucial role in ensuring food security for the world's growing population. Dear friends, today we have learnt the science subject which deals with some of the food items which are closely connected with our day-to-day lives. Dear friends, here is another science subject which is not directly connected but indirectly connected in our day-to-day lives. The subject is agrostology, pronounced as agrostology. Meaning of the word agrostology is the branch of botany which deals with the study of grasses. Yes, friends, grasses are very much required for the dairy cattle which feed on them and give us milk. So, the term agrostology is indirectly connected in our day-to-day lives. Let us try to frame two sentences by using the word agrostology. Agrostology examines the role of grasses in soil conservation. Sentence 2. Agrostology project was thought to be of greater importance in successful establishment of dairy industry. Dear friends, today you have learned one of the most important science subject which is indirectly connected with our day-to-day lives. Dear friends, here is another science subject which is connected with our day-to-day lives. The subject is BAMBUSOLOGY, which is pronounced as bambusology. Meaning of the word bambusology is the branch of botany focusing on the classification, ecology and biology of bamboos. Dear friends, yes, bamboos are connected in our day-to-day lives because for the people who are staying in forests, bamboos provide food items and also bamboos provide leafy material which provides fodder to their livestock. Dear friends, now let us see as to how sentences can be framed by using the word bambusology. The university introduced a course on bambusology to explore the ecological benefits of bamboo plants. Second sentence. After several years of studying multiple plant species in Asia, she became an expert in bambusology. Dear friends, today you have learned one of the most important science subjects which is connected with the items of our day-to-day lives. Friends, here is another most important science subject which is connected in our day-to-day lives. The subject is DENDROLOGY, which is pronounced as dendrology. Meaning of the word dendrology is a branch of botany that focuses on naming and classification of woody plant species, which covers trees and shrubs. Friends, you all very well know as to how important are trees in our day-to-day lives. Now let us try to frame two sentences by using the word dendrology. It should certainly be considered as a student textbook for courses on dendrology. Second sentence. This 500-year-old fig tree has been used as a case study in dendrology. Dear friends, today we have learnt another most important science subject which is connected in our day-to-day lives, that is dendrology. Dear friends, here is one of the most important science subjects which is very closely connected with the items of our day-to-day lives. It is viticulture, which is pronounced as viticulture. Meaning of viticulture is the cultivation and harvesting of grapes, or it is the study and practice of cultivating grape vines, usually with the overall goal of producing fruit. Dear friends, let's try to frame two sentences by using the word viticulture. The college has added a class in viticulture, the science of growing grapes. Second sentence. Experts in viticulture from Switzerland visited the college. Dear friends, today we have learned another most important science subjects which is connected with the food items of our day-to-day lives. Dear friends, here is the last subject of today's lesson. The subject is oenology, which is pronounced as enology. Meaning of enology is the science and study of wine and winemaking. It's quite interesting, right? Yes, wine is consumed by many people on daily basis for good health. Dear friends, hence, enology is one of the subjects which we need to be better aware of. Let us try to frame two sentences by using the word enology. After studying enology at university, she started her career as a winemaker in California. Second sentence. The local vineyard offers courses in enology. Dear friends, today we have learned one of the most interesting science subject which is connected with the food item of our day-to-day lives. Dear friends, today you have learned some of the science subjects which are connected with the objects or the materials of our day-to-day lives. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you very soon with another list of science subjects which are connected with the objects or materials of our day-to-day lives on this channel. Learn English words daily. Till then, take care.